Are you feeling overwhelmed by endless paperwork, misplaced documents, and version chaos? Managing quality shouldn't feel like a constant struggle. In industries like manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and food production, maintaining quality while ensuring efficiency is a challenge many teams face every day. Introducing QISS QMS, your all-in-one quality management software. We have in total 30 modules to help you, including Document Control, CAPA, Non-conformance, Audit Management, and many more. QISS QMS streamlines every step of your process. With automated workflows, advanced analytics, and secure permission controls, staying organized and compliant has never been easier. With QISS QMS, collaboration is easier, whether across departments or across global locations. Real-time updates keep your team aligned, eliminate delays, and ensure smooth communication, breaking down silos across locations and time zones. Compliance doesn't have to be a constant headache. QISS QMS simplifies it with built-in tools that align with industry standards. All of your documents and processes are stored in our software. So, you will always be audit-ready, no matter how regulations evolve. When it comes to risk management, QISS QMS helps you stay one step ahead. Identify, assess, and address risks before they turn into problems. QISS QMS is built to grow with you. Whether you're running a small startup or managing a large enterprise, the platform adapts effortlessly to your needs, offering a scalable solution that evolves with your operations. Join the growing list of businesses benefiting from QISS QMS. Organizations worldwide trust us to streamline their quality management and improve operational efficiency. Are you ready to simplify your quality management? Request a demo today and see how QISS QMS can make your work more efficient and hassle-free.